What's up, crypto fam, ladies fam? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments down below. Today, ladies and gentlemen, it's the Big Woo Thursday here in Central Europe, guys. Coldly, rainy evening Thursday, guys. And what I'm seeing here on the screen, Milady is still consolidating in the 30s, guys. But it looks more positive than yesterday, guys. You know what I'm saying? Check out the overall market, guys. You can see that Bitcoin is, consolidating in the 80s right now. But, I believe, guys, yesterday was the bottom, especially if we will see tomorrow Zelensky signing that deal of peace. You know, if he will sign the peaceful agreement tomorrow, I believe we will see the explosion to the upside. You know, I believe yesterday was the bottom. But, it could be too fast to speculate, you know what I'm saying? Because it's still uncertain. It's still uncertain, guys, but we will check in a minute if that's true. Because the news are coming in, like, in every hour. At every hour, guys, you know. But, what is also, today Milady is not here with us. You know, today again Milady is not here with us, guys. I don't know what's going on today, but they are focused. You can see future looks bullish for Milady. They are focused with this project. Trust me, they have the roadmap and they are building behind the scenes. But another amazing thing I need to show you is of course wallets, guys, but let's refresh it before we go to the wallets. You can see that community is strong. We just lost one paper hander from yesterday, guys. Community is really strong. They are not selling the Miladies. This is really nice green sign. But when it comes to the top wallets, guys, you can see that just after 6 days after the hack, Bybit hot wallet is already buying back Milady. You know, they are having back 17.2. So they have bought 0.3%, you know, today or yesterday at night, Central Europe time, guys. You know, it's crazy. It's really crazy, guys. But Bybit knows something. They will not keep selling the Miladies. This is amazing to see. But everything else is unchanged when it comes to wallets. We are still waiting for that fourth one to get exposed, because we have no idea who is that wallet. We know the fifth one is DWF Labs. They announced, guys, you know what I'm saying? They have announced. I don't know how long you are in the project, but they announced that they are holding 5%. So they are on the 5th position, guys. But the fourth one, it could be Binance, guys. It could be Binance. But guys, let's jump right now to the news. Let's jump to the Bitcoin LFG and see what's going on with the war situation Big breaking, Michael Saylor sat down with lawmakers today to push for the US become the global hub for Bitcoin. Oh, so this is bullish for Bitcoin, guys. But yes, I would like to see some war news. Big breaking. Bitcoin is on sale, I'm buying, says Robert Kiyosaki. Buy the dip, don't be a fool, guys. This is really interesting to see, ladies and gentlemen. Also, we have from news from Japan. Big breaking, Japanese public company Meta Planet is raising 2 billion yens to buy more Bitcoin. Unbelievable, guys. So many bullish news, guys, but I believe someone else is posting the politic news, because I am curious what's going on with the politics, because this is the major uncertainty why the market is bad. Yes, you can see here Minister Lavrov speaking about, you know, how Europe they don't seem to like peace, you know. I cannot play for you guys, unfortunately, because I have the messed up speakers, you know, on this laptop. I really need a new PC, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, I am patient, but yeah, I have messed up speakers, guys. That's why voice is kind of lagging on this laptop, guys. But I'm gonna buy me a PC because it's more powerful, you know. This one laptop is kind of old. I have it for like 6 years right now. But here you have more. President Putin has officially invited the following world leaders to attend Russia's annual Victory Day parade on May 9th in Moscow. Narendra Modi from India, guys. Donald Trump and Xi Jinping from China, guys. What will you say about that? I'm not surprised that the EU is not invited, because they really hate Russia from some reason. You know, they are the parasite of this world, guys. They are the cancer of this world. And you know what I'm saying, guys. Because of them, Ukraine is now in bad situation. But let's see what's going on with the war. US President Trump confirms Ukraine will not join NATO. It's not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. That's what started this whole thing. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the words that the NATO will like. You know, they really want to continue this war. Check this out. 29 minutes ago, Russian President Putin praises US President Trump's effort to resolve the conflict with Ukraine. Putin and Trump, guys, they want to stop the war. I knew it all along, guys, but I'm not sure about Zelensky. You know, White House counselor says the Jeffrey Epstein list being released today is incredibly disturbing. So, what that means, guys, yes, this is gonna be interesting, disturbing, probably because we will hear a lot of names that we wouldn't even think about it, that they were on there, you know, on that island. But yeah, guys, it looks like we just need to be patient, but I am pretty positive that you know, I'm kind of concerned about NATO, guys, because I don't think they like this idea of, you know, with even Macron, guys. I believe he was like he was not really happy with that peace deal about that minerals, you know. I don't think he's happy about this deal. He was like saying to Trump, oh, don't go easy on negotiations, don't go like easy to favor Russia or something like that, you know. Don't favor Russia with peace negotiations, something like that, you know. That's something that Macron said to Trump. So it's pretty clear that they don't want peace, guys. They want to continue with this war because they want so bad for Ukraine to join NATO, you know. But they should be focused with the with strengthening, you know, themselves first, because they've been relying on US for far too long. So I think it's a great idea that US is trying to withdraw from NATO, because that's the only way that NATO can wake up and become independent, you know, and stop relying on US, you know, with everything. So that's, I believe, it's great idea with Trump, that he will withdraw from NATO if they, you know, if NATO will keep pushing this war, you know. But we will see what will happen, guys. Market is still uncertain, but you can see Bitcoin is going down back again. But this is pretty much it for this video, guys. Like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.